We spend 90% of our lives indoors, plenty of time for dirt, grime, allergens, and bacteria to build up. Fortunately, our sofa, other upholstered furniture, and carpets act like air filters, trapping allergens and bacteria and keeping the air in our homes healthier. But to remain effective, they need to be deep cleaned. Chem-Dry's unique hot carbonating extraction cleaning process uses a safe, green-certified solution called The Natural that harnesses the power of carbonation. Millions of tiny bubbles release dirt, grime, and allergens trapped deep in the fibers, so they're easily extracted. In our Healthy Home package, we add a bacteria-killing sanitizer and a protectant that creates a stain-resistant barrier around upholstery fibers, helping prevent resoiling. An independent lab found that our hot carbonating extraction process removes an average of 98% of allergens from upholstery and 89% of airborne bacteria when a sanitizer is added. Chem-Dry. We clean for your health like no one else.